Mark shot up, gasping for breath. His eyes shot around, adjusting to the darkness. He was in his bed. The clock was stuck on exactly 3 through 17. As his eyes continued to adjust and he started to calm himself down, he began to notice. He was in his room, but it wasn't his room. Things weren't exactly where he left them. His window wasn't perfectly centered on the wall. As Mark got out of bed and looked around, he glanced outside his window and saw his neighborhood. But just like his room, it was off. There were no streetlights, the trees had no leaves, and it seemed darker. Just as he was about to chalk it up to a nightmare, he glanced up and saw across the street his house, his actual house. The lights were on downstairs. Mark bolted out his front door and across the street to his real house. Terrified, he began banging on the door, screaming, begging to be let in. After what seemed like forever, he glanced through his window, and that's when he saw it. He saw himself, knocked out on the floor in the foyer. The clock on the wall read 3:70. What the fuck?